In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Bluebeam password. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can securely reset your password and get back into your account with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to signin.bluebeam.com. This is the official sign-in page for Bluebeam, and starting here ensures you're in the right place for a secure password reset. Once the page loads, look for the link that says Need Help Signing In. It's usually located near the sign-in form. Click that link to open the recovery options. On the help screen, choose Forgot Password. This is the path that triggers Bluebeam's automated reset process. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Type the email associated with your Bluebeam account, carefully double-checking for typos before you submit. Using the correct account email is important because Bluebeam will send the reset instructions there. After you submit your email, keep your browser tab open and go to your inbox. You should receive a message from Bluebeam with a button or link labeled Change Password. Open the message and click the Change Password link. If it doesn't arrive after a few minutes, it can sometimes land in your spam or junk folder, so take a quick look there. Also, make sure the sender and the link look legitimate and avoid forwarding the message to anyone else, since the reset link is unique to your account and may expire. Clicking the link will take you to a secure page where you can input a new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Many people find it helpful to use a password manager to generate and store a long, complex password they won't have to memorize. Enter your new password, confirm it if prompted, and then submit the change to finalize the update. That's it, you've successfully changed your Bluebeam password. From here, you can return to the sign-in page and log in using your new credentials whenever you're ready. If you ever start this process again in the future, just remember the same flow. Go to the sign-in page, choose Need Help Signing In, select Forgot Password, enter your account email, and use the Change Password link in your inbox to set a fresh password. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you reset your Bluebeam password quickly and securely.